Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to be adding some wheel spacers in my 997 Turbo. I got these Numeric Racing wheel spacers as you see there. I got 7mm up in the front, so just about 1/4 inch or so, as you could see there. Not very wide, I guess, but the back is 15mm, so about 0.6 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, one more thing, there's several brands out there, but I went with Numeric Racing primarily because of they're notched out, as you could see. So and I've read they're about half the weight of some of the other ones, so that's why I went with these. The other reason I went with these is the most of the front ones, or some of the front ones I've seen, they didn't have this hub-centric feature, so, and that's the other reason I went with this brand. I also got the longer bolts that you'll need. These are about I believe 48mm, so 45 or 48 is what you need for the back, and then the front is 37mm. Again, just obviously you want longer bolts to compensate for the spacers. It should just slide right in. That was pretty easy. Just torque it to 96 foot-pound. Okay, I got one side done, the driver's side. This side here is, you can maybe you can kind of tell. The back is I think a little more noticeable. The front is kind of expected, is a little bit subtle. Let's compare it to the passenger side. Now back to the driver's side, and now let's go see the front. That's what the front looks like. Driver's side, that's with the spacer. Now I know what you're thinking. Probably next is to lower the car a bit, but so this is the passenger side without the spacer. Okay, I got both sides done, and I guess it looks good, and hope it doesn't vibrate, which shouldn't, assuming the wheels are centered, which it should be. So from this profile, the wheels are looks like perfectly lines up with the fender now. It doesn't. It's as you can see, it's perfect. well, let me know what you guys think. Comment below.